Hi, Megan. So we're at the end of our dinner tonight, and Megan is eating Cheerios and cheese. She's done a pretty good job on her cheese. There were a good 15 pieces, and she's probably eaten a good eight or nine of them. Huh? But she really still prefers to eat Cheerios with her hands, and she's very particular about texture with her touch. So she doesn't like anything wet, even though mango is her favorite fruit. She does not like to pick it up. So we're just trying cheese and Cheerios tonight. Huh? So Ziggy is right down below there, anxiously waiting to be fed. This is increasing the bond between Megan and Ziggy. Hi. Mama. 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 Can you say Ziggy for the camera? Ziggy. Megan, where's Ziggy? Up there's Ziggy. Is that good? Are you waving? Hello. Say hello. I know. Hello. Double wave. Good job. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Okay, Megan, give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good job. Give me 5. Good job. Give me 5. 5. No, eat your Cheerio. Okay. Oh, and there went one to Ziggy. That was a reject. Say bye-bye. 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 Aw. Aw. A piece of cheese? Nope. Cheerio? Yep, she wants to do it herself. Okay. Yay. Okay, say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.